Archery. Stories of Robin Hood and his men tell of many archery contests. Centuries ago, archery was a popular sport. It still is today. The bow and arrow was one of early man's best weapons. He used it in hunting and as a weapon of war. But after guns and gunpowder were invented, archery became chiefly a sport. Two main kinds of archery contests are held now: target shooting and flight shooting. In target shooting, the archer aims at a bull's eye on a target. Flight shooting is for distance only. In one kind of flight shooting, the archer lies on his back. Yew, hickory, and lemon are good woods for bows. Yew, spruce, and pine are good woods for arrows. All arrows have feathers to help them fly true. An archer's success depends a great deal on how good his bows and arrows are.